Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I welcome you all to Harira Hijab making class. So in this video, I'll be explaining how to make hoodie hijab. So to get started, we'll be needing 3.5 yards of fabric. So this is the body. This is the body of the hijab. Let me explain this one first. So after folding it, I folded it into 4 places. This is the first fold, while this is the second fold. So I folded it into 4 places. So to determine the sleeve with the shoulder, so you measure your shoulder. The shoulder I'll be using for this material is 15 inches. So 15 inches divided by 2, that's 7.5, plus sleeve of 22 inches, so that is 29.5. So 29.5. I have 25 inches here, so the remaining 4.5 will be the sleeve that I will attach to the body of the material. So this is our neck region. So you measure 5 inches for the wideness, 5 inches for the wideness, and 3 inches for the depth. So you combine the two together. You join the two together, like so. So after joining the two, then you come to this place, the sleeve opening. You measure 8 inches, just like our Egyptian hijab. So you measure 8 inches here. Then the remaining body of the hijab, hoodie hijab. So I don't want it to be too wide and not too fitted. So I'll be using 21 inches. Let me use 21 inches is okay because of the sewing allowance. So this is 21 inches. So from here you measure from this sleeve opening. So you measure 21. Let me join this line like this. 8 inches. So 8 inches here also. 8 inches. So I just want the line to be accurate. I don't want it to exceed each other. I don't want the point to exceed each other. So from here, I'll join the 2 points together. The reason why I'm doing this is I don't want my sleeve to misalign. So on this line, like this, I'm going to measure my 21 inches. So this is 21 inches. Here. So you now measure 21 inches down. This place, you join it like this. You join all the 21 inches now. Make sure you measure it to make it accurate. So you come to this side and curve this side. This, if you leave it like this, it will be too sharp. This corner will be too sharp. So you have to curve it like this so that it will eliminate the sharpness. Don't mind my English. So trace it down like this. If you are a beginner, use the method I use for the Egyptian hijab. So you trace it down like this. So I've already indicated where the length of the Khimar, the length of the gown will be. It's going to be 54 inches. So I've already measured it. So let me cut it out and show you how it's going to look like. So I have cut it out. This is how it looks like after cutting it. So you notch the center here because this is where we're going to attach our hood and our cape. You notch this side, this middle, you notch it. So you set it aside. Then we move on to, this is how it's going to look like. So we move on to our cape and the hood on it. Now, so please listen attentively here. You know I told us that for our neck, for the neck of the abaya or gown, we use 5 inches width and 3 inches depth. So 5 times 3, that's 15. 15 plus 2, that's 30. So we are going to be needing that measurement for our cape. So this is, fold your material into 2 like this. We want to cut the cape. So after folding it, this is the folded part, this is the open side, this is the folded side. So after folding it into 2 like this, then you measure down 15 inches. It's supposed to be 14 inches, but plus seam allowance, so that makes it 15 inches. You'll be seaming half inch here and half inch here because we are going to attach cap to this side. So this is 15 inches. So from that 15 inches marked, you now measure 16. This 16 is the opening, the neck opening, the neck of the gown. This is where we are going to attach to the neck of the gown. So it's supposed to be 15. You know, 15 times 2, we are folding it into 2. We folded it into 2, so that's 30. But we are using 16 due to the seaming allowance that we are adding to it. So this is 16 inches. But note that it is not this side we want to use, but we want to use this side to determine where our fabric is going to reach. So after folding it like this, so this is our face opening. So you come to this side, then you measure 11 and a half. You're supposed to use, okay, this is a crepe material, it's not a stretchy material, so that is why we are using 11 and a half. So 11 and a half here. So from this 11 and a half, don't mind this one, please. From this 11 and a half, you now slant your tape through like this. So from there, please listen attentively to this side, to this part rather. So from the 11 and a half, you now mark your 8 inches. Mark 8 inches. This is my 8 inches. This is my 11 and a half. This is my 8 inches. So you now place your tape through. So you know we measured from here to here 14 inches. So you now place your tape through from that 8 inches mark to your 14 inches mark, the back length, which is the 14 inches. So like so. So you join. Let me join the 11 and a half face opening to the 8 inches first. So after joining it like this, then I'm going to attach this like this, like this, like this. So this is it. You can make it straight, or you can make it curved. So just make sure you achieve that 16. So if you measure from here to here, it should be 16 inches that we cut here. So that is the function of this first 16 inches that we measured. So you cut out. So after cutting it out, I hope you are getting what I'm explaining. Please, if you don't understand, ask me a question, please. That is why I'm here for you. So cut it out like this. So let's now move on to the wood part. This is the cape. So you notch the center here. We are going to attach our cap here. So this is how it's going to look like. This is the face opening. So you join this side, you leave this place open. So this is the face opening. So when you are sewing, okay, I'll explain that one later. So set this one aside. Then let's move on to our hood. Let me cut the video and make the hood separately. So this is the hood part. So this is the folded side. This is the open side. So from the folded side, you measure down your 18 inches. Like so, I've measured it. So from that 18 inches, you measure 10 inches. This is my 10 inches. This is my 10 inches. I hope you're getting it. So you come up here and measure 13 inches. 13 inches. I'm supposed to measure 15 inches here because this is where we are going to attach. Okay, this is going to be the back of the head. This, I will open this side. I'll open this side later. So this is the opening where they used to insert the rope like this. This is the opening. So this is the back of the head. So this place is where we are going to attach to the gown and the cape. So that I'm using 13 inches because I'll leave 4 inches opening. I'll leave 3 inches opening rather. So that is why I'm using 13 inches plus 1 inch allowance. It's 12 inches plus 1 inch sewing allowance. That's 13. So that is that. Then you join together like this. Make sure you curve your hand a bit like this. So I'll show you how it's going to look after cutting it out. So this is it. I have cut it out. This is the front opening. So you have separated it. This is the back. So you are going to join this place round like this. You're going to join it round like this. So you leave this place open and this place open. So you will attach this side to the neck of the gown. So that is that about the Khimar. Then you cut out your rope, then put anything you want to add to it. Assalamu alaikum.